Here at Economy Glass, we cut, polish and deliver tabletops on a daily basis. In fact, we've supplied and installed thousands of tabletops over the years for a wide variety of customers. Are you planning on updating any furniture in your home and you're looking for a solution that is durable and long-lasting to protect the surface? I believe that tables should have a glass tabletop protector applied. In fact, all of my own personal furniture at home has glass tabletops for this reason. Glass tabletops or furniture protectors work well to eliminate harsh and painful scratches and ensure that the product stays in perfect condition for many, many years to come. A couple of months back, we had a call from a customer that wanted us to go to her house and remove an existing tabletop and dispose of it. We went to this customer's home and was pleasantly surprised to find that Economy Glass had actually manufactured this tabletop some 15 years earlier. Upon removing the glass and carrying it out to the van, it was evident that the table underneath was still completely perfect, free of any scratches, scrapes or marks. This really cemented to me that our tabletops work and are reliable for many, many years to come. I am Gene Graham and I'm the owner and operator of Economy Glass in Hoppers Crossing.